67% of small businesses now use AI for design instead of hiring designers. These tools produce agency-quality work at a fraction of the cost. Loca generates complete brand identities, logo, color palette, and typography. Canva AI then applies your brand across every template automatically. Framer AI builds full websites from descriptions. Relum generates sitemaps and wireframes with AI. Together, they replace a $5,000 web design project. Midjourney for product mockups, Ideogram for text-heavy designs, and Adobe Firefly for stock-quality images. Each fills a different gap in the design workflow. Rive AI for interactive animations, Lottie Files AI for motion graphics, and Hyper for video effects. The motion design space is where AI is advancing fastest. Which AI design tool changed your workflow? Comment below. Subscribe for the complete AI brand identity tutorial from scratch.